Hello guys. Hello guys, do you want to download game Super Brawl Universe? So you are at the right place. So in this video I will show you how to download this game for free and download it now. Without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, open any other browser that you have inside your phone. Copy the link that I have given in my description box. Paste it here. After that, just scroll down. Click here and I am not a robot. After that, click here to continue. Close the pop-up and the link will get ready in just 11 seconds. And then you will see this option get link. Click here on the get link, close the pop-up, and then you will get redirected to this, and then you have to just scroll down and here you can see these two files. So you have to firstly download the apk file and then data file, and then extract the apk and then extract the data file into the OBB folder, and after that install the apk file. So in this way you can play this game for free. So hope you guys like this video. Goodbye, take care.